Hey guys, Adam from Highland here, and today I'm just going to demonstrate great technology that is pretty much standard in all of our vehicles across our lineup. It's called Apple CarPlay. Now this will also work with an Android phone, hence the term Android Auto. And what you're just going to do is plug in your smartphone into one of the USB slots here. I'm just going to plug in my phone, and it's going to allow me to use the Apple CarPlay. So I'm just going to hit allow on my phone as well, and what it does is it projects your screen, your phone, up on the screen of the truck or whatever vehicle it is. Everything is touchscreen. You can access your messages, do full text message conversations. If you have apps like Spotify or WhatsApp, those will also work through the app as well. The big thing I find with a lot of my customers is they like the ability to use the Google Maps. That way you don't have to go up necessarily to get the navigation package, and that allows you to use your Google Maps here, have your stored destinations, and as well, using on the steering wheel here, I can actually press and hold this talk button to activate Siri. So that will allow me to pull up Siri. If there's any sort of text messages that are coming through the vehicle, I can activate those just by pressing and holding this talk button here and using Siri how you normally would, just using your phone normally. For any other inquiries or questions, please come give us a visit here at Highland.